Now guys, in the days where most earbuds appear to be very, very similar to each other, it's very exciting to receive a new pair of earbuds that have really stepped outside the mold and done something different. You see, we've got the HHO Gene G-Pods here, which you can see here. Now, as you can see, they've got a beautiful color shell there, which basically changes color depending on what you want. So there's 300,000 different color combinations within this earbud. So it means that you can have it go into music, you can have different colors, you can have different designs, and it really does stand out, as you can see. Now, in this review, we're actually going to go and show you exactly what the G-Pods are like. We're going to go test out the colors. More importantly, we're going to actually test out the sound and test out the music. So we're going to see if they're actually good performance as they actually look. Now, that's very important to us, obviously. Now, the G-Pods come at quite a good price as well. They come as a good package. So I'm pretty excited to be able to go out and test these today because, as you can see from these G-Pods there, look at the light there. I mean, isn't that absolutely beautiful? So I can't wait to show you guys what are the different combinations with these. Again, they come with 5 hours battery life in the G-Pods, 3 hours if you've got noise cancelling and the lights turned on. They come with all the standard features as well you'd have with your standard earbuds, for example, noise cancelling, fast charging, HD audio, good design. So I'm going to be very, very excited to actually test out and show you guys what these are like. And as always, all your support helps the channel. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know what you think of the HHO Gene G-Pods. Anyway, let's jump in and have a look now at Mr. Yoo-Hoo. Okay, let's now take a look at what comes in the HHO Gene G-Pods. So here's a box. Again, it's got a lovely premium feel to it. It feels really, really nice. And if we just take that off. Now there we are. So look at the presentation straight away. Now as you can see, look at that light shining off. It really does look beautiful. And there's the box. Again, lovely style. We'll go and look at these shortly. These are the clip-ons that go on the lights. We'll look at that in a minute. We'll just look at what comes in the actual G-Pods themselves first. So we open this up. So there you go. So you've got the guide there, a guide to setting it all up, which we'll talk through with you guys how to set it all up. And there's a warranty card as well. And here's the case. Now as you can see, it's a bit more of a bulkier case than we're used to seeing when we do our reviews. That being said though, it does look quite nice. USB-C charging as well. Take a look. Now there's the G-Pods, and as you can see, the light comes on straight away when we open up the case. Now this is the light we're going to be showing you, which really sets these G-Pods apart. You know, it looks really, really beautiful. As you can see there, it's shining away. I'm just going to take a look at one of them now. Let's go and take a look at these. So they're fairly bulky earbuds, as you can see from other ones we've reviewed in the past. That being said though, they do seal very, very well in the ear canal, which I like. So it means you're not going to get a lot of that noise leakage coming through that you get with other ones. And there they are there. And they look quite nice. Not that heavy either, but look at that lovely, beautiful light that's on there. So you can have up to 300,000 different light combinations, would you believe, with these, which I think is quite incredible. Now let's go back to what we showed you earlier. We'll put this back down for a minute. So here you've got the different clip-ons that clip on the lights. So what they do is they help change the dynamic of the lights. So if we're going to pick this one up and take off the plastic case there. Now this makes these G-Pods very, very innovative. So take that off, and you see you take the G-Pods and you actually just clip it on the outside like that, like so. So you've got all these different customizations. So not only do you have 300,000 different customizations of the lights, but you can also change the way they actually appear on your ears. Now, the G-Pods, if you've got noise cancelling on as well as the lights going, you get 3 hours of battery life, which I think is really, really good. And there they are there, but there's the G-Pods. As you can see, they look very, very nice, but we'll go shortly into looking at some of the key features of them as well. Okay, so great. So they look good in the unboxing, but how easy are they to actually operate? Well, they're pretty straightforward. So you take them out of the box like so. So there's the G-Pod there. You pop it into the ear, and essentially it connects basically straight away. So we're going to go through, look at the app shortly so you can use it. But they connect straight away, and then you can actually use the G-Pods to actually change tracks, change different songs, to call people as well. So they're very, very touch sensitive by pressing. You can also turn off the light by using it as well. You can also customize the controls through the HHO Gene app as well, which is very, very handy. Actually, on the point of the app, let's go and jump in now and have a look exactly how that app works. Okay, as you can see, here's the app. So straight away, the app goes into the design with the lights. So you can see there with the color. So the color orange purple there kind of reflects what's showing in my GPod there as well. So, but you could go through, so you've got all these different color themes. So essentially you change the color themes and change the color in your GPods. I'm going to go up closer in a moment to show you exactly how that works. But let's have a look at also customization now. When I took the GPods out of the box, the music wasn't quite where I wanted it. So you can go here and adjust the sound. So you can adjust different equalizers you want. So you can adjust the voice. You can put more bass in there, for example, more treble. Now I found the mids were quite good in this. The bass was quite good as well. Yeah, I probably wouldn't say it's bass heavy necessarily. They say it comes with 11mm driver, which sounded quite good. But yeah, you can customize the equalizers there as well. But for me, I always go for more bass. I like that kind of sound. Then you've got noise control. So you've got noise cancelling, transparency mode on and off, which you can then use. Then we've got also the types of shells that you can order. And then we go and have a look at, as I said, the lights as well. Now you go in here as well. So you've got in-ear detection, which starts playing music when you put them in your ears. Again, here you can change the touch control, which I spoke about earlier. So you customize the taps depending on what works for you. Yeah, and also the right control there as well. And also how to switch on the noise transparency too. So works very well. And again, you've got the Bluetooth 5.2 that it uses as well. So you can customize the color as well for when calls come in. So it can change as well. So the colors are very, very user-friendly. They really do change depending on what you want. Now, how about the comfort with the GPods? Well, the GPods come with 4 different types of tips, which you can see here in the box. But I found they worked fit perfectly straight into my ears like this. So because of the depth of them, have got quite a good seal. So when I move my head around, let me test this out. They don't move much, which is good. So they sit very, very well in the ears, as you can see there, and don't move around too much, which is excellent. Now, what about the sound quality? Well, as I said earlier, it's got a very, very good balanced sound palette. Now, the thing is, it sounds very, very good with the bass. The trebles are quite good, and the mid drifts are quite nice as well. So I listened to a lot of house music in London, and the basses were quite clear. You could pick them up really, really nicely, and you could see the different depths of music as it went up and down as well. So they're quite competitive up there with other earbuds around the same price point. Obviously, they're not up there with the more high-end sound quality, but for what you're getting with the lights, you won't go away with using them. They do fit quite well. So yeah, they look really good, and they're also a statement. Can you believe walking around with that in your ears, what people are going to say to you when you're walking around? I mean, they look so good, they're fantastic. So
yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love
oh, sorry, I got caught up with the music. I really do enjoy listening to these. The sound is very, very good, and the style is good. And it's so good for a change, a company going up there and going outside the norm and actually producing something that is unique that people can use. And HHO Gene have really done that with their GPods. They've designed something from the ground up that really does provide something different to people. And the customization with the GPods, the ability to change how you use them is really, really incredible. So they've done a fantastic job. And do I recommend these? Yes, absolutely, guys. I do recommend them. So there's links in the description if you wish to purchase the GPods. Make sure you let me know what you think of the GPods. If you purchase from the links below, it does support me and my channel. But yeah, really enjoyed reviewing these and really enjoyed having you guys join us today. And thank you.